Okay. Good morning, student.
Good morning, sir.
Today I am going to teach about human skeletal system. Okay. And in today's class we are using this human skeleton. Okay. This act as a toy. We have also the miniature form of this human skeleton. Okay. So today we will only focus on the axial skeletal system. Okay. So now I am going to start the topic. So human skeletal system consists of a framework of bones, and the number of bones in a human skeleton is 206. Bone has a very hard matrix due to calcium deposition of the calcium salt. Okay. So human skeletal system is divided into two parts. The first one is axial skeleton. Axial skeleton, which consists of 80 bones, and appendicular skeleton are having 126 bones. Okay. As per the guidance, so we have to focus only this axial skeleton. Okay. So axial skeleton is again categorized into the bone of head, that is called skull bone, then vertebral column, then sternum and the ribs. Okay. So here you can see this part is called the skull. This whole brain and this facial bone, and there is one wide bone. Okay. This all comprises under the skull bone. This is the vertebral column. You can see this is the vertebral column. Okay. There are having 26 vertebrae. Okay, one by one I will tell each and everything, no problem. Then in front side, this is a flat bone. This is called sternum. Okay, and there are 12 pairs of ribs. So in our next slide, we will first discuss the bone of head. Bone of head means what? I am talking about skull, and this skull contains 22 bones. Okay, skull contains 22 bones. Out of 22 bones, some bones are come under cranium. Okay, 8 bones are there in cranium. Then 14 bones in the facial, in the face. Okay, one bone is the wide bone that is located at the base of the tongue or located in the base of the buccal cavity, and ear ossicle. You know there are two ears, and the ear is divided into external ears, middle ear and internal ear. So these bones which are specifically present in the middle ear, 3 plus 3, that is 6. What are the 3 bones? These 3 bones are the M-I-S, Manus, Incus and Stapes. Okay, good. Next slide. So what are those bones which are present in skull? The cranium is the brain box, okay, which are having 8 bones, and that bones is known as cranial bones. The first, the frontal bone, one single piece, frontal bones, then parietal bones, 2 in numbers, then temporal bones. You can see in the picture, this the front bone is the frontal bone. Okay, then the parietal bone you can see also in the human skeleton. Okay, that is displayed in front of you, and then the temporal bone, that is also 2 in number. Yeah, here temporal bone, this side and this side, so 2 in number. Then occipital bone. Okay, you can see here occipital bone. This is 1 in number. Then sphenoid and the ethmoid. Okay, this all total are 8 bones present in the cranium. Now come to the facial bone. The facial bone are having 14 in number. Okay, all total the nasals 2 bone. Okay, maxilla 2, zygomatics 2, lacrimals 2, palatines 2, inferior nasals, mandible 1 and the vomer 1. Here this lacrimal, palatines and the inferior nasals and this vomer is not visible in front of the human skeleton. Okay, these are invisible. Okay, still it is present in the human skeleton, but this lacrimal bones, palatine bones, inferior nasals and this vomer is invisible from the front side. And this mandible is the movable bone. Okay, movable bone which help in in the mastication, process. So these are the bones present in our skull. Okay. So now 8 bones in the cranium box. Okay. 14 bones in the face bones, and 1 bone is the white bones. Okay. So all total there are 29 bones. Now come to the white bones. Okay, this is the white bone. The shape of this white bone is U-shaped. Okay, in alphabetical, in English, alphabet U-shaped alphabet. Okay, is there. So the shape of this white bone is U-shaped. Okay, and found at the base of the buccal cavity. You know there is one tongue in our buccal cavity. So at the base of this buccal cavity is having this white bone, and there is no any articulation this white bone with the other bones in the human skeleton. Okay, that means no any joining and no any joint is there. Okay, with other bones. Now come to the ear ossicles. Malleus, incus, stapes. 2 ear, so 2 is malleus, 2 is incus, and 2 is stapes. All total 6 bone present in the ear ossicles. Okay, ear ossicles. So the bones present in the middle ear, it is known as ear ossicles. Now come to this. So all the skull articulates with the first vertebrae. Okay, of the. Now we come to discuss about this vertebral column. Okay, there are 26 vertebrae. And these 26 vertebrae are divided into 5 regions. Okay, or it depends upon the position of your body. Okay, the first 5 is known as cervical bone, then next 12 is known as thoracic bone, then next 4 is known as lumbar bone. Okay, then the next 5, that is the fused and form one bone, that is called sacrum. Okay, and the last one is the coccygeal or the coccyx bone. Okay, so all over there are 26 vertebrae, and the first vertebrae is known as atlas, and the second vertebrae is known as axis. Okay, so this atlas is attached to the human skull. Okay, or you may say it as the human skull is directly attached to the vertebral column with the help of atlas, with the help of atlas vertebrae. Okay, so so here in this slide, it is formed of 26 vertebrae, and first one is cervical vertebrae, 7 in number vertebrae. Okay, then thoracic vertebrae, 12 in number, then lumbar vertebrae, 5 in number, then sacral vertebrae. Okay, there are 5 bones, but in adults it is fused in a single bone. Okay, so all the bones are fused in a single bone. Then coccygeal bone, that is also the vestigial one. Okay, this is the vestigial one, non-functional vestigial one. The earlier this coccygeal is present in the tail region. Okay, so this is also fused. You can see it here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the cervical bone present in the neck region. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is called thoracic. Okay, this is present in upper back. Okay, and then next 5 is present parallel to the abdomen. Okay, parallel to the abdomen, and next and the sacral and the coccygeal. Sacral is present in the pelvic region. Okay, and coccygeal is present at the last part. Okay, so these are the 5 types of vertebrae present in the vertebral column of human being. Okay, so now come to the sternum. The sternum is a flat bone on the ventral midline of the thorax. This is the sternum. You can see in the skeleton, this is the sternum. This part is called sternum, and this is a flat bone. Flat bone. So now come to the ribs. Okay, you can see here is a rib cage. This is the rib cage. This whole portion is called rib cage. Okay, so there are 12 pair of ribs. Out of 12 pair, 7 pairs are true. Why 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why they are 2? Because they are directly staged to the sternum as well as to the vertebral column. Okay. But the next 3 is known as false. Why false? Because they are not directly attached to the sternum, but they are attached to the 7th rib. 7th rib. Okay. And the last 2 are known as floating ribs because these 2 are not attached with the sternum, only attached with this vertebral column. That's why they are called floating ribs. Okay. So this much of information for today's class. Okay. Thank you.